Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video today, we're going to show you how to install Threads, an Instagram app on Windows. So there are a few things you're going to need to start. First is you need to have Subsystem for Android installed. So Windows Subsystem for Android, this one here. If you haven't done this before, I'll leave a link in the description for a video and a text guide if you want to follow that. Once you've got Windows Subsystem for Android installed, you'll need to grab two other files. So you'll obviously need the Threads APK. So I'll leave a link for that in the description as well. So once you've downloaded that, you'll also need a program called WSA Pacman. This allows you to install APK files on Windows a lot easier. Again, I'll leave a link in the description for that. So once you have those prerequisites, so Subsystem for Android, Pacman, and the APK, just install Pacman, pretty standard installation. You'll get a security prompt, accept that, then follow the standard installation process. Just make sure when you get to this page, you leave both boxes ticked. They'll allow it to recognize the APK extensions. Once you've done that, just install it. Okay, that is finished. And you'll see that the APK file that was here before is now recognized as a APK and we can install it. Okay, so now we need to go over to Subsystem for Android. So make sure that's running. So here, this is the main Subsystem for Android page. Just click Advanced. Go to Manage Developer Settings. This will open Subsystem for Android. Okay, so this is the main menu. So make sure you have developer options at the top enabled and scroll down and make sure USB debugging is enabled. Generally, this is on by default. However, I like to toggle it off and then toggle it back on. Accept the prompt that pops up. So we can minimize this, and then we can Pacman. WSA Pacman. Now we need to accept the allow ADB debugging. You'll see this if you've used SCR-CBY in the past. Another option here, if you want to allow it always, feel free. We're just going to allow it this once. Then we can click Authenticate and it'll auto-connect. Okay, now that we've got a connection, we can double click on the APK file. This will open and we get the option to install. You see this install option here grayed out. Means you didn't accept the ADB debugging prompt, so you'll need to go back and get that to reinitialize, then you can install. Okay, so now we've got a timeout error. This happens quite often for whatever reason. Usually it still installs, so just go to Start menu, search Threads, just here at the top. I don't know why the timeout error happens, but it's kind of 50-50. So if it does successfully install, you'll get a notification to say so. If you get a timeout, it might have successfully installed anyway. Doesn't do that for all apps, but Threads is one that seems to happen to. That's the Threads app. Okay, so now it's simply a case of signing in with your Instagram account. Not going to save the password. Don't want any notifications. And that's Threads. So pretty random at the moment. Works fine. If you're in the EU, you won't be able to post content unless you're on a VPN. Still arguing with GDPR. That's sort of out of control for now. So anyway, that's the basic installation for Threads on Windows. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments. I'll get back to you pretty quickly. And otherwise, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers, everyone.